Welcome to my summer garden. Many gardeners face this lush green plants but little to no fruit. It's frustrating, healthy leaves but few flowers, and even those may drop off. This is a common midsummer puzzle, but the clues are right in front of us. Today, let's unravel why your plants are all leaf and no fruit, and what you can do about it. Let's dive in. What's the most frequent issue that throws off the balance of a thriving garden? It's often an excess of nitrogen in the soil, especially for beginner gardeners. Nitrogen fuels leafy growth, promoting lush, vibrant foliage. But too much keeps plants stuck in leaf mode instead of flowering and fruiting. We inadvertently cause this by overusing organic materials like manure. The fix is simple: stop adding nitrogen-rich fertilizers immediately. Instead, switch to a high-potassium feed to encourage flowering and fruit development. A good example is tomato food. These potassium-rich solutions will encourage flowering and fruiting. Remember, balance is key to a thriving garden and a bountiful harvest. Sunlight is non-negotiable for fruiting plants. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers all need 6-8 hours of direct sun daily. Less sun means more leaves but little energy for fruit. If your plants are shaded, move containers to sunnier spots or prune nearby branches. For in-ground plants, note the sunniest areas for next year. Every extra hour of sunlight helps. Fruiting needs energy. Give your plants the light they crave. Even with the best nutrients and sunshine, a delicate dance must occur for your plants to thrive. Pollination. It's vital for the journey from blossom to harvest. Sometimes flowers drop prematurely without setting fruit, a sign that something isn't right. Often this is due to poor pollination, a lack of pollen transfer. Without it, the flower can't be fertilized and fruit won't develop. Tomatoes and peppers are self-pollinating, needing only pollen movement within the flower, but even these need wind or vibration to dislodge pollen onto the stigma. Gently shake flower trusses to encourage pollination and increase your chances of harvest. In greenhouses or still air, manual assistance is important, as lack of air movement reduces pollination. Squashes and cucumbers have separate male and female flowers. Use a brush to transfer pollen from male to female flowers. If pollinators are scarce, take matters into your own hands. Become the bee. Manually transfer pollen between flowers. A little manual help and patience can ensure successful pollination and a bountiful harvest. Plant stress. It's a silent saboteur that can wreak havoc on your garden's potential. When plants are under duress, their ability to thrive and produce is severely compromised. Recognizing the signs of stress is the first step in ensuring a bountiful harvest. One of the most significant impacts of plant stress is that it halts fruiting. A stressed plant will prioritize its survival over reproduction, diverting energy away from developing fruits and flowers. You might see lush foliage but a disappointing lack of produce. Inconsistent watering, drought then flood, is a major stressor. This yo-yo effect of extreme dryness followed by saturation deprives roots of oxygen and essential nutrients. This shocks plants and causes flower or fruit drop. The plant aborts its reproductive efforts in a desperate attempt to conserve resources. To avoid this, keep soil evenly moist. Aim for a balance, not soggy or dry. Think of it like a wrung-out sponge damp, but not dripping. Extreme heat can also stop fruiting. High temperatures can damage pollen and prevent fertilization. Therefore, shade plants during the hottest hours of the day, especially during peak summer months. Use mulch to keep roots cool and moist. A good layer of organic mulch acts as an insulator, protecting the soil from temperature fluctuations and reducing water evaporation. Watch for pests and diseases. Treat early to keep plants healthy. Pests and diseases can quickly weaken a plant, making it more susceptible to other stressors. A stable, stress-free environment is essential for fruit production. By minimizing stress factors, you create the optimal conditions for your plants to flourish and bear abundant fruit. Mulch and regular checks go a long way in maintaining a healthy and productive garden. Happy plants are productive plants, so give them the care they need and they'll reward you with a bountiful harvest. The solution is rarely just one thing, it's about balance. Adjust nutrients, maximize sunlight, help with pollination, and reduce stress. All that green growth means your plants are strong, they just need a nudge to fruit. Be patient and attentive. Small changes make a big difference. Soon you'll see flowers set and fruit begin to swell. Thanks for joining me. Happy gardening.